Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in Tecno Spark Go 2022. And to do this, first thing is to open a Google Play Store. Right here we want to find app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here, allow access and manage all files, and dismiss this notification. From here, your app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.